Today, we will talk about how to use a generator during a power outage. Let's have a look at the details. If you're without power and thinking of using a portable generator, here are 7 tips for doing it safely. Number 1. Install battery-operated carbon monoxide alarms. Carbon monoxide is a colorless, odorless gas produced when a fossil fuel like coal, crude oil, or natural gas, depending on a generator's power capacity. It can emit as much carbon monoxide as a few hundred idling cars. Breathing in too much carbon monoxide can cause symptoms including headache, upset stomach, dizziness, weakness, vomiting, chest pain, and confusion. Depending on how much you inhale and your health status, you could also faint or die. Installing a battery-operated carbon monoxide monitor with a digital readout for knowing levels of carbon monoxide exposure. Since carbon monoxide sinks, having a monitor in your basement is important. But the possibility of exposure on every floor means you should have monitors in the main living areas and in or near bedrooms, so you can be awoken by an alarm while sleeping. Number 2. Disconnect your normal source of power. Even if you've lost electricity, you still need to disconnect your normal source of power by turning the main breaker or fuse off before plugging the generator into a household circuit. If you don't, the electrical current could reverse. Go back through the circuit to the outside power grid and energize power lines or electrical systems in other buildings to at or near their original voltage, without the knowledge of utility or other workers. This backfeed could electrocute utility workers or people in neighboring buildings. Number 3. Know where and how to position them. Generators are for outdoor use only, far away from any physical structures. You should keep a generator at least 20 feet away from doors, windows, and vents, and never run one inside a home or garage, even if doors and windows are open. Number 4. Keep the generator dry. Operating a generator in dry environments and on dry surfaces is also important for preventing dangers. If you are wet or standing in water, dry yourself and/or move out of the water before operating the generator. If the weather is rainy, you can use a canopy-like structure to protect the generator from water. Number 5. Plug equipment directly into the generator. To plug equipment such as refrigerators or laptop chargers directly into the generator, use heavy-duty, outdoor-rated extension cords that are in good working condition and have a wire gauge that can handle the electric load of any connected appliances. The lower the gauge number, the thicker the cord, and the thicker the cord, the more electricity it can carry safely. Don't plug one extension cord into another. If you use a thin, flimsy cord, you could send too much electricity through and start a fire. Number 6. Take care of your fuel. If you need to store fuel, consider how much you can store, and for how long. Since gasoline or diesel fuel saved for more than a month may need additional chemicals added to remain usable. Before refueling, turn off the generator and let it cool. If the generator is hot when you're refueling it, any gas that spills on the outside could ignite. And number 7 is inspect and maintain your generator regularly. Caring for your generator involves regularly inspecting above-ground storage tanks, pipes, and valves for cracks and leaks. If anything is damaged, immediately replace it. If the generator's in good shape, keep fresh fuel in the tank and run the generator intermittently, so it will be ready when emergencies happen. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.